Good morning. This was just a very small part of news. It's far down the page in a much bigger story, and it doesn't seem very significant. Chinese customs officers were inspecting a shipping container and found more than 25 tons of antimony, which is in very high demand by military contractors and weapons makers. Then comes this part. In Guangxi province, officials there found a shipment that was declared to be soldering paste, which turned out to be mostly bismuth. If the controls on these and rare earth metals keep up, it's going to be a big problem for companies outside China doing advanced manufacturing work. But I got wondering what soldering paste is and why customs officials in Guangxi would care about it if they saw it on a shipping manifest. And it turns out that China's export bans on bismuth is hitting some of the most valuable companies in the world because they need soldering paste and bismuth to build all these AI data centers. NVIDIA, Amazon, and Google are the three companies here in Nikkei, Asia, and their suppliers now are desperate for a diplomatic breakthrough between China and the United States to get their data centers built. Low temperature soldering paste is essential for printed circuit boards, thermal modules, and other crucial parts of the manufacturing process. That paste is made of tin and bismuth, and here is where all the bismuth in the world comes from. China at 13,000 tons, and the rest of the world total at under 3,000 tons. Here's a movie we've seen 100 times where we go through a bill of materials and find a lot of things that we can only get from China, and that China makes more of it than all the other countries in the world combined. And here we go again. Bismuth soldering paste is critical for AI servers, and now we're running out of it. This company supplies NVIDIA, Amazon, Google, and they have only 6 weeks of inventory on hand. Now they need Washington and Beijing to get something worked out and reach an agreement. All his problems go away if the leaders have a friendly phone call. And that is true in his case and in the short run. But Chinese officials probably figured out a long time ago that it doesn't matter how great NVIDIA chips are or how much money is budgeted by Google to build their AI centers if they can't get soldering paste with bismuth in it. Supply chain managers are scrambling for alternatives to soldering paste made with Chinese bismuth. One alternative is to get away from bismuth, but those substitutes are even harder to come by in the market. They're more expensive and they don't work nearly as well. Bismuth is used for a reason: low toxicity, low melting point, and it consumes less energy. These properties mean that the soldering paste with bismuth is crucial for AI, supercomputers, and data centers. So they're calling companies in Mexico, Vietnam, and elsewhere to try to get paste from them. But that's all in short supply, and price for bismuth soldering paste is rocketing higher, up 5.6 times just this year. All the supply chains run through here. Nobody can get away from China, especially on the stuff that nobody thinks about until production lines shut down. These are money no object companies, the Magnificent Seven, and even they can't do it. Nobody spends more money than the Pentagon, and they can't build bombs and rockets without Chinese antimony and rare earth metals. Tesla can't build cars or robots without Chinese magnets. The other Magnificent Seven companies, these are functional monopolies. They have a combined market cap of over $17 trillion, but they can't build data centers or supercomputers without Chinese bismuth. The richest companies on the planet are stuck because inspectors here in China are opening boxes and jars to make sure there's no bismuth heading their way. This is Guangxi, Guilin. Be good.
Show them the knowledge, the gospel of Jesus. I pray for courage and strength to face temptation and trials. May you empower me to overcome for the persecution and the trials that are going to follow. Amen. Blessed are the poor in spirit,